Alishan?
Today,
Yeah?
take a bus.
Bus.
Yeah.
Here.
Here, there. Green bus.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay,
On
thank
the
you.
bus, by
Sorry?
in the bus, by ticket.
Okay. Easy card? Okay.
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 240.
240.
Yeah,
Alright.
240.
She said... Got to take this bus to Chiayi to Alishan. That's the train station, diba? Bus station is, ito lang, nasa harap. Alishan shuttle bus. In 7 minutes, nandito na yung bus. 7322, Chiayi to Alishan. I'll be eating breakfast first. I got this. So cute. Stuffed chicken wing. Kita niyo ba? Stuffed chicken wing. May sticker rice sa loob. From Chiayi, it is going to be a 2.5-hour bus ride. I've read somewhere na paliko-liko yung daan. So, parang bagyo yung daan niya. Kaya I bought this anti-motion sickness meds dun sa isang pharmacy. Kind of like their version of Bonamine. It's gonna be a long ride papunta and expect the same pabalik. Kaya, good luck. Sana makatulog na lang ako and sana wag masyadong mahilo. I'm going to finish my food first. I bought pineapple croissant and coffee from Let's Cafe. Naubos ko na yung stuffed na chicken wing. So, after nito, idlip muna siguro ako. Anyway, I will see you in Alishan. Bye! Sa Philippines, mga tourist spots, ang dami fees. Dito sa Taiwan, ang daming naman vouchers. Regular ticket is 300 NTs. Sa Kulok, nasa 600 lang yung booking with shuttle bus na and lunch. I have a booking from Kulok.
You want to go out and eat again? We will go out. But here, tell us, but we will give you a pass.
I'm looking for the visitor center or the terminal for the Alishan electric bus. Found the information center. Doon pala sa baba. It's currently 11 degrees pala, not 13. Lamig. I want to claim a bus ticket? E-bus?
Which bus ticket? Can I have a
Yeah. Okay.
But you're here, there's a 2 stop, so you can, that's why it says Zhaoping or Xiangling, right? So you can choose which stop you want to go.
Which one would you recommend?
How long you gonna stay here? Like couple hours?
Yeah, a couple hours maybe.
So I will recommend this area probably 2.5 to 3 hours.
Okay.
And if you want to do this, because it is our class area, I would suggest you come here first.
Xiaoping.
Yeah, because
Okay.
here is a high spot. By the way, the Secretary train station is a low spot. So if you start from here, you're gonna walk from high to low. I think it's very relaxing, unless you like climbing.
Okay, so I can take the bus to Xiaoping,
It's open, have a
take the
look.
trail
Yes.
to this, and then sightseeing.
Yeah, sightseeing. And, take a
And then
break,
I can continue to the train.
Yeah, and now it's kind of cherry blossom season, so you can see.
Cherry
I think
blossom.
maybe here, you can see some cherry blossom here.
Okay. All right. I think I got everything I need. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye-bye. Commemorative stamps. I have this Legoland passport. Binigay ito sa akin ng isa sa mga nakilala ko last Taipei trip ko. And I used this to collect commemorative stamps. Binigay niya. Thank you, Hawk. I have a couple here from Taipei last time. I'm getting one from here as well. Ni hao.
这里还是这里
Xiaoping.
招聘？对，因为你这个是突位，所以你坐来这边 walk，
Yeah.
从这边坐出来。
Okay, okay, got it. I'm currently inside the Alishan Forestry Park. So, bali dito sa loob, merong shuttle service na dadalhin ka dun sa mga popular spots. Dun sa pagka-discuss sa akin, may dalawang popular points. First one is the Zhaoping and the other one is the Shuanglin, I think. I think this is the bus. They are all super helpful, polite. We came from here, Zhaoping Station, and then I just walked straight. Dumaan ako dito sa Alishan Hotel, and now I am at the Green Shower. Yung next ko na nanapin sa map is the Sister Pond. here, Magnolia Garden, and then we are heading to the Shanglin station bus stop.
Yeah. You make.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
One, please.
You can mix. Do you want? One is
Chia?
in Taiwan.
Okay, sure.
Okay. Thank you.
This is cherry tea and chia seeds. So good. Itadakimasu. Chicken and pork and sticky rice sausage. Let's eat. I bought tea eggs as well pala. 20 NTD for the tea eggs and 150 NTD for the sausage mix. Iced tea is 60. Parang gusto ko pa dagdagan nung spicy na powder. Anong powder kaya yun? 5 spice? Yung usual na binubudbud sa mga sausage. So good. I'm currently here at the bus stop. The next stop is the giant tree number 28 and then Chiayi waterfall. And after that, I am going to head straight to the train station and take the ride back to the information center. One piece. Thank you. Just this is the train?
Yeah, to the last train.
Okay, thank you. Final train. We are finally done with Alishan and it was a really good experience. I would highly recommend this. Kung marami kang time dito sa Taiwan, I would highly recommend this kasi kailangan mo ng maraming time lang kasi yung travel time from Taipei to Chiayi and then Chiayi going here, sobrang tagal lang. But it's really worth the trip. Just be ready kasi medyo mahaba yung lakaran. The good thing is the temperature today is perfect. Sana pagpunta nyo ganun din. But this is in the highlands kaya feeling ko presko naman siya usually talaga. I'm going back to Chiayi, trying to see other spots pa. But it would depend what time we'll be arriving. One thing is Google Maps said that 2.5 hours yung biyahe, but I think it only took us a little more than an hour. Anyway, I'll just wait for the bus and then bye. Manhid na yung kamay ko kanina sa sobrang lamig.